next slide, workouts. Create a template and follow it as a rule during the week. No compromises. Okay, what you've got there is my workout schedule. And in the red, you've got my muscular conditioning. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's 4 days a week. The cardio, I don't have time for cardio. I walk the dogs up a hill for 2 hours. It's a tough walk. I'm sweating. I jump in the pool. I sprint in the pool. It's great for my joints. I throw it in as a cool down, but I put it in. Saturday's mobility training. Get the circulation going, prime the joints. That's the purpose of Saturday. Take Thursday, Sunday off. If I don't have time, I make time. If I've got a 30-minute workout and I don't have 30 minutes, guess what? It's the hardest 5 minutes I'll ever do, but I get it done. Mm-hmm. And I remember, CJ, we went to that Tony Robbins seminar, and I remember interacting with Tony. And I remember Tony saying to me one time at a seminar, I don't know if it was the same one. He looked at me and he goes, is exercise a should or a must?
Must.
And right when I said it's a must, he goes, exactly, it's a must. Do you ever miss a workout? Not unless it's scheduled to have a day off. It's got to be a must. You got to put it in. 5 minutes of intense is better than nothing. Your word is your worth. And I got to tell you, you want to build your own self-esteem, keep the promises you make to yourself, put the workout in. Yep. Bottom line. Go to my website. I'll send you the link, and I've got a whole bunch of video demos of me doing the bands. Just follow along. Just try to do the exercise. If you have any questions, shoot me a line. Okay. I'm telling you, the bands are killer. No change to my physique. It's no big deal. Even though, some people say hardcore, you need the weights. You don't. You need to do something. Yeah. Knowing, again, the game changer is food.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
For me,
go ahead.
Go ahead. No, I was just going to say, for me playing hockey, and, I have a dog now, I take it for walks. I rollerblade so the dog can run. Like, my dog's a Malamute, so sled dog, so she likes pulling.
Yeah, nice.
So I stay pretty active and eat, just in the last few months, just eating right, I've lost like over 20 pounds.
Wow, that's crazy. And here's the other thing too. Knowing the three of you guys all look good. You all have muscle mass on you. All right. So it's not like you have to rely on cardio or do some kind of, Olympic type weight training. You don't. But what you do need to do is you do need to do something.